there's this poster in the catalog for $60, but I only have 50.
So it's you have how much again? Tell me how much.
50.
And how much is it? How much is it?
$60.
So you need $10.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've told you that if you're willing to do the cat litter, we got the 2 boxes, $5 a box. How much would that be?
$10.
Well, do the litter. You get $10.
Okay, be right back. Hey, Mom, I did it.
You did? You finished everything?
Yeah.
You did both boxes.
Yeah.
All right. So $5 a box.
Yep.
I think that means
$10.
Let's see here. $10.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Now I
Thank
can
you.
get the poster.
Advantages of math done at home. No litter was done during the making of this video.